Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm here with some Thanksgiving place cards. So I made these Thanksgiving place cards for our upcoming U.S. Thanksgiving holiday. They're on an A2 size card base. I think a lot of craft products are geared towards that size, and I think it works out well for the project. I made my card bases, and then I put on these Sizzix leaf fragments. That's a die set by Tim Holtz. And then die cut everybody's name in white cardstock. So I feel like it's a very nice seasonal project, and I've really been having trouble getting into the seasonal crafting this year. Just it's been so darn hot here. Our overnight lows are what a lot of people I think would consider a summer high, daytime high. But I'm on the Gulf, and that onshore flow just keeps it hot here really late into the fall season. So I tried to channel my gratitude and enjoy the process while I was making these place cards. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I think they will be handy. We do try to mix the guests up at Thanksgiving. So I started out with some mixed media paper and some watercolor. I don't think that's necessarily required for this. I could have used pattern paper, I could have used alcohol ink, I could have used sprays, but I like watercolor. I find it really soothing, and it's so easy to work with, and it cleans up so nicely. So that's just where I started, and I just applied the watercolor pretty randomly. You can see that it looks like a hot mess. I did 4 sheets of mixed media paper and a little bit of scrap grocery sack that was laying around. And even though it looks really bizarre, once I let everything thoroughly dry and cut it to the right size for the die cut machine, I applied the dies, and I think that once I cut up my background here, they really looked very natural. All of that hot mess turns out to look like the randomness of nature, I think. So as long as the mixed media paper is thoroughly dry, it just die cuts like a dream. And I used every scrap of everything that I had watercolored. Then I put the leaves into piles by basic colors, and then dealt them out into as many piles as I had names. So I think we've got 11 people for Thanksgiving, and I just dealt the leaves out into 11 piles and got started from there. So the leaves, I think, just looked so natural once I got done. Here's a shot of the different color groups, the reds and yellows, the greens, and then the browns. I did spatter everything with a little bit of gold watercolor, which is not natural looking, but I thought was attractive. And I've got my names taped together with washi tape ready to go. So from there, it's just a matter of assembly, and that was really quick and easy. Probably the most enjoyable part, aside from the watercoloring. And I just arranged the leaves across that A2 size card base, and then applied the person's name to the front. So I think that when you mix up the guests, it keeps people from sitting together in family groups, and I think it just makes everything a little bit more interesting. That may be a little bit of an old-fashioned idea. I'd be interested to know if you use place cards at holiday gatherings or not, but I am looking forward to ours, and I hope you have a good one, and thank you for joining me today.